In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge questions in Google Forms. If you've organized your form into multiple sections and later decide those questions belong together, there's a quick way to combine them. In Google Forms, questions live inside sections, so the way you merge questions is by merging the section that contains them into the section above it. Start by opening your form in the editor and scrolling to the section you want to combine with the one above. On that section's header, look to the top right corner for the 3 vertical dots, often labeled More. Hover over the section if you don't see them right away. Clicking those 3 dots reveals options that apply to the entire section. This menu is only available when you have more than one section, and you won't see a merge option on the very first section because there's nothing above it to merge into. Next, choose Merge with Above. The moment you click it, Google Forms moves every question and any media from the current section into the section directly above. The separate section header disappears, and all the content now appears as one continuous block of questions in the upper section. This is perfect for simplifying a form after testing, or when you realize 2 parts ask related things and should be answered together. After merging, take a careful look at your form to confirm the order of questions still makes sense. If you were using section-based navigation, such as go to section based on answer or after section, continue to review those settings because merging can change how people progress through the form. It's also a good idea to use Preview to simulate the respondent's experience and verify that skips and required questions behave as expected. Before you merge, it can help to note the titles and descriptions in each section. After merging, you may want to remove duplicate headings or move text into a description so the combined section reads cleanly. All question settings, like required toggles, response validation, and quiz points, are preserved. The only thing that goes away is the boundary between sections. If your form already has responses, merging won't erase them, but it can change how new respondents move through the form. For major edits, consider working on a copy so you can compare versions. If you clicked Merge with Above by accident, use Undo right away to revert the change. And if you have several sections to consolidate, repeat the same action on each one, working from the lowest section upward. That's it. Use the More menu on a section, select Merge with Above, and you'll quickly combine questions and streamline your Google form without rebuilding anything.